Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to lock private photos on your device. Start by updating Google Photos and making sure your phone has a secure PIN or biometric lock. Once done, temporarily turn off backup and sync so nothing you move uploads by accident. Then open Google Photos, tap Library, then Utilities, and select Set up Locked Folder. Follow the prompts to create it. This ties the folder to your device lock, keeping content off the cloud by design. Now move the actual images. Select the photos you want private, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Move to Locked Folder. Make sure you also inspect shared albums, messages, and partner sharing. Remove any copies there, because Locked Folder does not retroactively remove shared items. Next, empty the photos trash to remove server copies and confirm backup and sync remains off for those items. This step ensures the only surviving versions are the locked. Finish by locking your phone and testing. Open Photos, unlock, and verify the locked folder hides content when the device is locked. Then sign out of Google Photos on other devices or remove the account to be certain no copies remain elsewhere. If you still see images in the cloud, they were likely shared or backed up earlier. Remove them from any shared albums, delete the cloud copy, and empty trash. Tip: if synced copies reappear, re-enable backup and sync briefly to find and delete all cloud duplicates, then disable it again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.